So Faster Asset Solutions, we provide a fleet management information system. So it's software to help you manage your fleet operations. Helping you understand the total cost of ownership by gathering data on how much maintenance is going into the vehicles, dishing out work orders to your technicians, understanding their productivity, their labor hours versus indirect labor hours. Really our strong suit is really in the reporting side, giving public fleet managers really the ability to go fight for those dollars to go get more money to replace their assets, right? And also with extending the life of their assets, amongst other things. It's a very robust platform. We're working with over 400 public agencies across the country, tracking over 1 million vehicles. So we are a best-in-breed software solution for government agencies to manage their fleets. Fleets are hemorrhaging money left and right. Vehicles are falling apart on them. They're not able to get more money to replace the vehicles. So having stuff in place to track all that data and really be the source of truth and give you more tools in the belt to go fight for those dollars, fight for those taxpayer dollars to replace the vehicles. That's really the biggest struggle that I'm running into today. A big thing I would say is, fleets are experiencing up to 7 or 8 days of unplanned downtime with their vehicles, just because they're not getting them in for the regular maintenance that they need to have done to the vehicles, or unreported issues happening with the vehicles where, say a police officer, for instance, maybe drops their bumper or rips their bumper off and they don't say anything because they can just continue driving their vehicle without issue, right? Things of that nature are happening on a regular basis and fleet managers are not being made aware of these things. So we give the tools to them to, get all that information, track it, and keep it all in one place. Everybody is so down to earth in the industry. I love working with fleet managers, especially in the public sector. It's a small, tight-knit community. I go to a ton of these different trade shows. This is my first Fleet Forward conference, personally, my first. But I see the same faces at virtually all the shows. So it's a small, tight-knit community. I get to see a lot of the same people. We get food and drinks after each show. And it's just a fun environment to hang out in. So I love working with the people. I think that's one of my favorite parts of being a sales guy for Faster, is the people that I get to work with on a day-to-day basis.